The 2026 BMW Motorhome is set to revolutionize the way people think about luxury travel, combining the unmistakable craftsmanship of BMW with the freedom of the open road. From the outside, this motorhome commands attention with its aerodynamic bodylines and signature kidney grille that has been reimagined for a bold, modern look. LED matrix headlights give it a striking presence, while subtle blue accents hint at its advanced hybrid electric powertrain. Every curve and detail has been carefully designed to reduce drag, improve efficiency, and maintain that sleek BMW silhouette that enthusiasts recognize instantly. Inside, the 2026 BMW Motorhome brings together cutting-edge technology and refined comfort. The living area is wrapped in premium leather, sustainable wood trims, and soft-touch materials that create a warm, inviting atmosphere. A spacious lounge setup transforms easily for different needs, whether it's relaxing after a long drive or entertaining guests on the road. The panoramic roof stretches almost the full length of the motorhome, flooding the interior with natural light during the day and offering clear views of the stars at night. Soft ambient lighting adjusts automatically, enhancing the mood and giving every corner a calm, modern feel. BMW's latest iDrive system acts as the central brain for the motorhome. Passengers can control lighting, climate, and entertainment through voice commands or an intuitive touchscreen that seamlessly blends into the dashboard and living space. High-speed internet connectivity is standard, ensuring that work, streaming, or staying in touch is never an issue, no matter how far off the beaten path the journey goes. BMW has also integrated smart sensors that monitor air quality, temperature, and energy usage, optimizing comfort and sustainability in real time. A standout feature of the 2026 BMW Motorhome is its cleverly designed kitchen. This compact yet fully functional space boasts a hidden induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator that suggests recipes based on its contents, and a sleek, retractable dining table that can seat up to 4 people comfortably. All appliances are energy efficient, and surfaces are crafted from materials that are both elegant and easy to clean, maintaining BMW's commitment to luxury and practicality at every turn. Storage is generous, with clever compartments tucked away behind panels, ensuring that everything has its place without cluttering the clean design. The sleeping quarters redefine rest on the road. The main bedroom includes a queen-size bed with a memory foam mattress that adjusts to individual sleeping preferences. Adjustable mood lighting, soundproofing, and smart climate control mean that whether parked in a busy city or a quiet forest, the interior remains serene and restful. Extra sleeping arrangements are possible thanks to convertible seating in the lounge, making the motorhome ideal for families or small groups traveling together. When it comes to storage, BMW has used every inch wisely. Hidden compartments under the floor, built-in wardrobes, and overhead cabinets keep travel essentials organized and secure. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide additional power for longer off-grid stays, reducing reliance on external hookups and emphasizing BMW's push for a more sustainable travel lifestyle. Combined with the hybrid electric drivetrain, this makes the motorhome both eco-friendly and cost-effective for long journeys. Driving the 2026 BMW Motorhome is an experience in itself. The hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, responsive performance while keeping fuel consumption low and emissions to a minimum. Adaptive air suspension ensures a comfortable ride across varying terrains, from highways to country roads. Advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and semi-autonomous driving features, take the stress out of long-distance travel. Parking such a large vehicle is simplified with 360-degree cameras, automated parking assist, and a heads-up display that provides clear, real-time information. Entertainment goes beyond the interior. With an extendable awning and built-in outdoor speakers, the BMW Motorhome turns any stop into an opportunity for outdoor living. Owners can enjoy a sunset dinner, listen to music under the stars, or host a small gathering right next to their luxury home on wheels. The motorhome even includes a smart app that helps manage bookings, find charging stations, plan routes, and schedule maintenance, keeping the experience as smooth and connected as possible. Customization is another highlight. Buyers can choose from various interior themes, material options, and tech packages to create a motorhome that reflects their style and needs. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is more than just a mode of transport. It is a bold vision for the future of mobile luxury living, merging innovative technology, eco-friendly travel, and the premium feel that BMW drivers expect. For those who crave adventure without compromising on comfort or sophistication, this motorhome is the ultimate choice for exploring the world with the spirit of BMW always along for the ride.